Let's talk about Cymax set of 5 stainless steel kitchen cooking baking measuring cups, measuring spoon with engraving metric measurement, silicone handle, and keychain. Set of 5 kitchen measuring cups: 18 cup 30 milliliters, 14 cup 60 milliliters, 13 cup 80 milliliters, 12 cup 125 milliliters and 1 cup 250 milliliters. Upgrade stainless steel are baking cups measuring made of upgrade thicker, strong and polished stainless steel, corrosion resistant. No dents or scratches. No sharp edges. Can be used for many years. Silicone handle: the bright colored handle is designed with silicone, non-slip and heat resistant, very useful in any kitchen. Also, it is a lovely addition to the kitchen. Easy to storage and clean, come with a sturdy hanging loop, fit inside each other well and hang well from loop. Can take them off the ring easily. Dishwasher safe. A must-have for kitchen: the measuring cup contain all the measurements you'll need and also make a good gift. We provide lifetime quality guarantee. Buy this cooking measuring cup is to save your money. These measuring spoons are really handy to have in the kitchen. I use them quite a lot. It's great they are on a ring as they can hang up and are always to hand. The quality seems to be excellent as they have a silicone handle and the stainless steel is smooth. A great feature for me is that they are dishwasher safe, which means an easy and quick clean up. Excellent measuring cups that allow the cook-baker to measure quantities given in US recipes. Didn't expect the 1 cup handle to be broken, but otherwise overall a useful addition to my kitchen.